Do you have a product you are selling and you want to make it more attractive and more appealing in the eyes of your customers? From this to this and to this, from this to this and this. Isn't it beautiful? From this to this with just a single click. If you watch this video to the end, I'll take you through how to create a hyper realistic ad using AI and how to make money from it. Don't forget to subscribe and share for others to benefit. So first of all, you go to Play Store or App Store and then you download Google Gemini. Yeah, so I have it here. It supports both Android and then iOS. So you download and then you open your Google Gemini. So this is the first interface you are going to see after downloading. Then you see this plus button, you click on it. When you click on it, you will see gallery. Click on the gallery. Click on the gallery. When you click on the gallery, it will take you to your gallery. You choose the product you want to design. So you click on it. So I'm going to click on this. So I click on it, then I click on add. So you are going to command this AI to do the magic for you. So you type create a hyper realistic ad for this product. Add props to make it more appealing and attractive. So I'm going to search for create a hyper realistic ad for this product. Add props to make it more appealing and attractive. Then you send. So here is the send button. You click on send. So you wait for this AI to do the magic for you. So wait a second. So you wait patiently and voila! This is my hyper realistic ad for my blender to make it more appealing and attractive. So people love to see nice things. Don't just post this product, it's not attractive. You see, yes. So this is what I have. You can add more. So if you want to add flowers to the blender, you can type add flowers to it. You can command it anything you want to add to the image. You can command it and it will do for you. Just wait a second. I think it has added flower at the back. So you see, yes. So when you are done, then you can just tap to hold and then you save. When you save, you see it is downloading. When it is saved, it will be in your gallery. So you can see, yes, very nice and attractive. Now, how can you make money from this hyper realistic products ads? Firstly, you can start freelance photography services. All you need to do is to offer your services to clients who need high quality product images for their advertisement. You can work as freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Secondly, you can also sell stock photos. Websites like Shutterstock, FreePic, and Deposit Photos allows you to upload and sell your hyper realistic images. You can earn money every time someone purchases or licenses your work. The third one is advertising agencies. You can reach out to advertising agencies and offer your services to create hyper realistic product images for their ads campaign. And the last one is product image creation for e-commerce. You see, many online stores need high quality product images to showcase their products. You can offer your services to create hyper realistic product images for these businesses and you are going to make a lot of money. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or any suggestions you want to make.